Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you how to turn off the microphone while mobile gaming on a TikTok live. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. First, you would like to open your TikTok app and start setting up your mobile gaming live stream as you normally would. Once you're live streaming, or once your live is running, you will need to look for some three dots. Let me just go and set up that first and come back. So as you can see here, once you are live, all you need to do, just go and look for these three dots at the bottom right. Once you click on it, as you can see, you'll find live games, flip camera, and mute microphone option. So all you need to do, just go and click on that, mute microphone, and you'll be able to mute your microphone with no problems. And this is normally for the normal live. Of course, it will be the same if you are using mobile gaming. I cannot access mobile gaming since I do not meet the requirements yet, but it will be exactly the same. You'll basically have to run your live as example. You'll be live and then you'll have to click on the three dots and click on mute microphone as well. And you should be good to go with no problem. And that's it basically. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.